Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to reinstall WordPress in Hostinger. So let's get started. So there could be several reasons why you need to reinstall WordPress. Maybe you are having issues with your WordPress website like errors and you don't know how to fix those. Or maybe your site got hacked. Or you just want a fresh start for your website. The reason could be anything, but this video is the solution if you are looking to reinstall WordPress in Hostinger. Before we start, it's highly recommended to take a backup of your WordPress website. First, we are going to access website WordPress dashboard. To do that, open any web browser. Now enter your domain name followed by /wp-admin. Now press enter. Enter your WordPress credentials and you will be redirected to WordPress dashboard. Now on dashboard, in the side panel, you will find option updates. Just click on it. Now on the right side, you will find information about updates related to WordPress version, plugins and themes. Here, just click on Reinstall Now button. This process is fully automatic and all you need to do is wait for some time to get the installation completed. Once the process gets over, you will have fresh version of WordPress. So that is how you can reinstall WordPress in Hostinger. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.